What was I doing? That's what I was doing. That is an overflow market. And now let me show you on how you can do it yourself. So just go to the circles. That was overflow. Of course the market was perfect. Let's try and get a market of that is over 5. That is under 5. I've already done a video on over 5, over 4. You can check on it, then you'll be a better trader. Okay, so I'm trying to get a market for over under 5, and here we are, a perfect one. Very simple. When you're trading under 5, the blue bar, green bar should all be below digit 5. The red bar should be from digit 5 to 9, anywhere there. So in this case it's on digit 8, so the market is perfect. Then click here, go to rate analysis, then prediction digit is 5, use at 100 ticks. Make sure under 5 market is more than 50%. The next thing we need to do is set up our robot. So I am sticking 50. We are trading under 5 there. Then our stop loss is okay. I'll use consecutive losses. I'll set up to 4. Then my target profit is 200 USD, like that. Then click here on the virtual hook. For example, in your case, if you click the virtual hook, it's like this: set up 3, then activate, then okay. Then this percentage is more than 50. That means we are safe, we can execute. So if you check here, what happened? No, I stopped. Okay, run. So what is happening here? We are actually getting the trades are actually happening on virtual. So the moment we hit 3 consecutive losses, the robot will switch and execute 1 win. So just wait and see. We hit 3 consecutive losses, ndio hiyo imepiga win, ndio hiyo hapo. You can actually see 1 trade. So 3 consecutive losses, that's what we set, that is on the virtual hook. We say the virtual hook help us to reduce the trade that is on the ndio hiyo tena, amazing. Help us to reduce the number of losses that is on the real account by distributing those losses on the virtual account. Now that's what is actually happening. All these 3 consecutive losses we are hitting on the virtual, you can actually see it's a reading, virtual loss, virtual win. Yeah, but the moment we hit 3 consecutive losses, those the robot will automatically switch to a real kama sai, ndio hiyo. Good recovery, amazing. That's what will always happen. So I have already, then as you trade, you need to keep monitoring. Here you can actually see the percentage has gone less than 50. So what you do, we need to stop the robot because the percentage is less than 50. Then once it gets above 50, then we can continue. Let me first of all stop. Okay, so let's wait for this percentage to go above 50, because right now it's less than 50. Then we can run our robot again. Okay, or we also need to check on this other side and see how the market is. You can see the market is okay. The green bar, blue bar, or below digit 5, red bar is okay, it's still in position. Let's get back on this other side. We need this percent to get more than under 5 to go above 50%, then we can start the execution. So what we are trading with a virtual hook. You really don't need to have an entry point because the virtual hook will do its job. Okay, so we are still waiting. Okay, if you trade when the market is like this, when the market is still fluctuating, there are very high chances you might end up on loss, because we want to trade when the market is based on under 5, like when that market most of the time is on under 5. And now if you check in this case, over 5 is trying to take over. You can actually see that clearly. If you check on the LDP, you can actually see from here other digits are trying to gain momentum. Just check, over 5 market is 48%. Now you need to be very careful. Then you stop, hold on, then wait for under 5. You can actually see over 5 markets the most dominant right now. Under 5 is gaining, so we have to wait until it gains to whatever that we can start the execution. Because of this under 5 dropping here, if you check here, you can actually see we hit on 3 consecutive losses, which is very risky. So we need to wait until this percentage gains, that is under 5 market gains the momentum. and I can see now we are almost there. Good, just run and let's see now what happens. Ndio hiyo imepiga. Good. And if you check here, the percentage has gone less than 50%. It's actually fluctuating. Just take the impact. We got consecutive losses here. So to be on the safe side, wait for this to go above 50. So it's all about patience. Tuna haraka. As you wait, you can get back on this other side and confirm if everything is okay. The market has already changed, so that means get another volatility. Amazing one. We have this one. So volatility 75 1s. So switch to A-rates. 75 1s is okay, under 5 is okay. So run your robot. Now let's see how the market behaves. Yeah. Deriv virtual losses, then we switch. Oh, yo. Amazing, amazing. If you check here, the percentage is okay. So that's what we need to keep monitoring. You can actually see when the percentage is okay, even if you hit on a loss, the recovery is always instant. Okay. So we are almost hitting our TP. Amazing. And we have already hit our TP. That's how we do it. Okay, let's hit another win, then we stop. We can even do more than the TP. Good, amazing. Let's hit like 300. Just one. On this other side, I think everything is all right. Yeah. So if you get a good market which is more than 50%, which is not dropping, right, the performance is amazing. You can actually see in this case. Okay, it's taking so long, we can stop it at that point. The good thing is that you understood. So you can actually see this is more than 50 and the performance is amazing. Yeah, so you just need to check the volatility here. The volatility which is here is the same volatility that is on the robot. Okay, so let me repeat again about the strategy. So okay, the market has changed. The blue bar, green bar should all be below digit 5. The red bar should be from digit 5 to 9. Then click the circles, go to a rate analysis, set up here the prediction, which is 5. Then make sure under 5 market is more than 50%. Then just do the setup here down here. Then virtual losses set virtual losses to 3. Then just run your robot and you'll likely have this kind of amazing results. Goodbye.